Plant FAQs. Alocasia ninja. Alocasia ninja, unveiling the secrets of the dark night. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Alocasia ninja, a captivating jewel-toned alocasia that has stolen the hearts of plant enthusiasts worldwide. Its name perfectly reflects its appearance. Deep, almost black leaves with contrasting white veins, creating a striking, mysterious presence. If you're considering welcoming this beauty into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about the Alocasia ninja, from its care needs to its unique characteristics. See more 90 species in genus Alocasia, elephant ears at monsterholic.com. What makes the Alocasia ninja special? The Alocasia ninja stands out with its mesmerizing foliage. Unlike some alocasias with pointed leaves, the ninja boasts rounded, shield-shaped leaves that resemble miniature elephant ears. The deep green, almost black coloration is offset by prominent white veins, creating a dramatic contrast. This visual intrigue is what makes it a coveted collector's item. Alocasia ninja versus Regulus. While the Alocasia ninja might be mistaken for its cousin, the Alocasia regulus, there are key differences. The regulus is a larger plant with more elongated, pointed leaves. The ninja, on the other hand, stays compact, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Alocasia ninja versus black velvet. When comparing Alocasia ninja and Alocasia black velvet, two captivating members of the Alocasia family, it's clear that they possess distinct characteristics that set them apart. Alocasia ninja, known for its compact size and striking green leaves adorned with contrasting white veins, thrives in bright indirect light and demands consistent moisture. On the other hand, Alocasia black velvet stands out with its velvety, dark green leaves that boast an almost black hue, creating a visually striking appearance. While both plants require well-draining soil and careful attention to watering, their unique foliage and care requirements offer plant enthusiasts diverse options for adding these exotic beauties to their indoor gardens. How to care for Alocasia ninja. The Alocasia ninja, despite its dramatic appearance, isn't overly demanding. Here's what you need to know to keep your plant thriving. Light. Give your ninja bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. These plants enjoy consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly before watering again. Humidity. Alocasia ninjas appreciate high humidity. Grouping them with other plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity levels. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts. Soil, well-draining, aeroid mix is ideal. You can create your own by combining potting mix with perlite or orchid bark for optimal drainage. Fertilizer. Feed your ninja a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, once a month, diluted to half strength. Common Alocasia ninja concerns. Troubleshooting like a pro. Even the most dedicated plant parent might encounter occasional issues. Here's how to address some common Alocasia ninja concerns. Drooping leaves. This can indicate underwatering. Check the soil moisture and water thoroughly when the top inch dries. Yellowing leaves. Overwatering or lack of light can cause yellowing. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure your plant receives enough indirect light. Brown spots. These might be caused by sunburn or low humidity. Move your plant away from direct sunlight and increase humidity levels. Pests and diseases. Thankfully, Alocasia ninjas are relatively pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for common houseplant pests like mealybugs or spider mites. You can treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Alocasia ninja, a touch of drama for your indoor oasis. With its captivating looks and relatively easy care requirements, the Alocasia ninja is a perfect addition to any plant collection. Its compact size makes it ideal for tabletops, shelves, or terrariums, adding a touch of drama and intrigue to your indoor space. So, are you ready to embark on a journey with this dark night of the plant world? With a little TLC, your Alocasia ninja will reward you with stunning foliage for years to come.